Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology one day before an exam using an easy method. Start by identifying the most important chapters and topics that carry significant marks. Dedicate about 60% of your study time to these crucial areas. Quickly review all essential diagrams, ensuring you can label them accurately. Concentrate on grasping core concepts rather than trying to memorize every detail. This focused approach will maximize your retention and understanding. To make your study session effective, employ active recall. After reading a topic, close your book and try to explain it aloud or write down key points. This strengthens memory pathways. Spend at least 30 minutes practicing diagrams. Drawing them helps solidify your understanding. Also, dedicate about 1 hour to solving past exam papers. This familiarizes you with question types and common themes, boosting your confidence. Effective time management is crucial. Divide your remaining hours into manageable blocks, assigning each block to a specific chapter or concept. For instance, dedicate 90 minutes to genetics, followed by a short break. Take 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Remember, a well-rested mind performs significantly better. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep before the exam. In the final few hours, avoid introducing any new material. Instead, quickly skim through your self-made notes, highlighted sections, and summary sheets. Focus on reinforcing what you already know. Take a deep breath and remind yourself of all the hard work you've put in. Trust your preparation and maintain a positive mindset. A calm and confident approach will help you recall information more effectively during the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.